This paper deals with a problem of physiological interest and public health significance, which has to do with fetal nutrition, and in particular the role of intestinal absorption of iron. What the paper shows in a series of elegantly done experiments is that there is a requirement for increased maternal intestinal iron absorption. There are two times during life where iron is most critical. One is during pregnancy, the other is during lactation. So the study shows that iron absorption during pregnancy is not critically affected by HIF2 alpha. That is, litters are born and they're normal in size and the pups are normal at birth. However, after birth, they become malnourished, they become anemic, and they later show cognitive deficits which can't be recovered. This study basically shows that, that the role of HIF2 alpha is to provide sufficient iron to support normal postnatal development.